everyone! Welcome to Sisi Crafts. I'm Sisi and this is Ari. We're going to show you how to make a beautiful flower cup for your mom. Here are some things you'll need to do this. Glue, markers, and scissors. Be very careful and get a grown-up to help you with the scissors. So you're gonna need 7 even squares like this. They could be any size. These are 11 centimeters by 11 centimeters. Start by folding each square in half to make a triangle. Then fold it again to make another triangle. Fold it once more to make another triangle. Repeat this with all 7 squares. Draw a petal shape on one corner. Make sure it's on the corner that opens. Then carefully cut it out. When you open it up, you should have a flower. Now you could color and decorate the flowers however you want. I'm going to cut out all of the color of the rainbow. A light purple. Carefully cut out one petal. Put a little bit of glue on the one petal and stick them together. Repeat this with all the flowers. Now fold all the flowers in half. Put glue only on the tip of the end petals, not the middle one. Stick 2 flowers on the dots. Keep applying glue only on the marked petals and stick the flowers on those marked petals. Keep following the steps, you're almost done. Now apply glue to the tip of the middle petal and stick it to the one side of a card. Do the same with the other side. We folded a cardstock paper in half to make a card. And this is how my card turned out. Inside you could write whatever message for your mom. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up so we can make more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy Mother's Day for everyone. Bye. Bye. Stay safe.
Okay, I can see myself on the camera.
Happy Mother's Day for everyone. That's what I was going to say.